Microstrategy earnings are today. I'm going to go over exactly what's going to happen on the stock, okay? And then we're going to go over the future of the stock and what's going to happen, right? So the earnings comes out after hours today on Wednesday, all right? Here's my predictions. First off, we're going to see a lot of volatility, but after the earnings, they're going to report negative, and the reason why is because they are not using FASB updated accounting rules yet. Okay. The FASB updated accounting rules will be for their quarter 1 earnings, which will come out in May. All right. So we're going to see the price dump after earnings because a lot of people don't understand that they always miss earnings and the price always dips after. But we're going to see it slowly grind back up in the next coming days because I believe they're going to increase their leverage by offering more convertible notes. They're going to be using their preferred stock in order to issue equity without diluting the shareholders of the common stock. And they're going to be offering other financial products that we have not yet seen. All right. Some more Bitcoin bond style products that are coming. Okay. So I believe $500 before their next earnings. It's not going to happen in one day, but what I am saying is I believe that MicroStrategy is easily going to $500 once they re-leverage the position. Okay. Right now they're more delevered than Berkshire Hathaway. Okay. There's basically no risk in this stock right now. There's no volatility in this stock right now. And you might be saying, no, that's crazy. It went down like 10% 2 days ago, bro. That's nothing. There's no volatility in this stock right now, but there will be very, very soon once they re-lever. Okay. Their leverage, right now is like 16%. It's literally nothing. All right. Their target is to be around 25%. They're going to blow past that once they start acquiring Bitcoin in the billions using their convertible notes once again. Number 2, the guidance that Michael Saylor gives after the earnings presentation will be a masterclass. All right. It's basically like him doing a podcast, except he's trying to explain to people how to value the stock. I am so excited to watch the guidance for the company so that way he can lay out exactly what he's doing with the Bitcoin nuclear reactor. All right. With the Bitcoin refinery. Okay. It's going to be amazing. This is what's really going to pump the stock and make it grind up to that $500 number. Again, this will not happen in one day, but this will over time happen all the way up until the earnings call in May. All right. All the way from now to the next earnings, we're easily going to 500 and beyond. It's going to be completely amazing. And then again, FASB. Now, FASB will not be used for this earnings. If it was, they would record billions of dollars in profit and the stock would go to $750 basically instantly. But that's not going to happen. You're going to have to wait till May in order for the fair value accounting in order to have that in effect. Okay. So that way you can have Bitcoin on the balance sheet as a productive asset that actually is a net positive for their balance sheet. Right now, their balance sheet is going to look kind of weak. It's going to be negative, right? That means all the little trading algos and all the different investors who only read Barron's or whatever other garbage papers, they're going to see MicroStrategy, oh, negative earnings on their balance sheet. Oh, I'm not investing in this dying company, as it does another 10x. Because they don't understand what's going on. So use this to your advantage, okay? The entire value proposition of MicroStrategy right now is really information asymmetry. What I mean is we know something that nobody else knows. I don't know if you figured this out yet, but that's how you get rich. That's how you make a lot of money. When no one else can see the vision, you invest in the vision, okay? If you buy Apple today, you're basically making no money because everyone already sees the vision. Yeah, they make phones. Wow. You know what I mean? Like they don't make any more stuff. They don't innovate, okay? Their company sucks. The most that they can pump the stock is with a stock buyback. You know what I'm saying? Like there's nothing going on there. Now, when you bought Apple, when they dropped the Macintosh, yeah, you're cooking, little bro, because you see the vision before everyone else sees it. Right now, we are having our Apple moment. If you're able to get into MicroStrategy while it's completely underrated, while it is not understood, while people are writing it off, that is how you become a big dog in the financial world. That is how you create one of the greatest trades of all time. And once again, I'm so ready for the guidance. Michael Saylor is going to break it all down and re-inform the people who must have forgot. Because there's some people sitting here like, oh, MicroStrategy, it's over. It's over. The stock was like $180 3 months ago, little bro. Please calm down. Please be humble. I am so ready. So if you're ready, I'm ready. You can come back to this video once the earnings drop. All right. You can tell me how close or how wrong I was in terms of, you know, what I'm talking about here, the guidance and the fact that they did not use FASB. And then when Q2 or when the Q1 earnings roll around during Q2, you can come back and tell me if my $500 price target was correct or not. Guess what? Newsflash, it was correct. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure that you stack sats or die trying.